Welcome guys, this is OTHt. I want to review to you a profitable strategy you can use to trade volatility 10 index profitably. Now this is 15 minutes time frame. Only two indicators is what is needed. Only two indicators, moving average and MACD. Moving average and MACD. Towards the end of the video, I will show you the settings. Now this is how the strategy works. Pay attention. If you understand this strategy very well and apply it, then the issue of account blowing is thing of the past for your own side. Just pay attention and understand how the strategy works. Now, this is how it works. Only two indicators, moving average and the MACD. The first thing is to understand the direction of the market with the help of a moving average. Where is the market going? Is it uptrend or downtrend? Now, this is how it works. Here now on the screen, you will see that this is a moving average and the candlesticks are above this moving average. That is to say, it is upward direction. Do you understand? Now, your entry should be from the side of MACD. Here is MACD crossing. You see it? MACD crossing from down upward. Do you understand? So you need to shake from that point of crossing. The candlesticks must be above the moving average before you count it as what? A valid entry. Do you understand? The crossing will occur in the side of MACD when the candlesticks are above the moving average. Do you understand? So in this case, the crossing occur when the candlesticks are above moving average. So you take your trade from this point. You take your trade from that point, and this is what excess profit for you. Do you understand? Pay attention, understand it, watch the video over and over, understand it, apply it, and you will make massive gain. Let's move. Now here there is a crossing here. You see there is crossing here, which is an indication of a downward trend, but in the side of moving average, the candlestick are still above. So this is not a valid trade. Do you understand? Look at it. The crossing occur here, but look at the side of the candlesticks are still above moving average. So this is what? A wrong signal. So you don't make it. You only trade when the MACD is crossing from up down and the candlesticks are below the moving average. But in this case, it's not a valid entry. Do you understand? So we move. Now watch here. This is another opportunity here. Look at it. Look at the candlestick where the crossing occur in the side of MACD. Do you understand? Look at it where the crossing occur. Here the candlesticks are. Look at it. See where the crossing occur. The crossing occur here, and this is the candlestick where the crossing occur. That is to tell you that the candlesticks are below the moving average, telling you that it is what? A downward trend, and the crossing occur in the side of what? In the side of what? MACD. So you need to take your sell position here, and this is what? A massive profit for you. Do you understand? Just pay attention, watch the video over and over, understand the strategy, apply it, and the issue of account blowing is no longer for your own side. Do you understand? This works very well. It has been tested over and over. That's why I'm sharing it. Do you understand? So we move. Now look here. This is another one. Here is another one. Look at the crossing here and see the candlestick. So this is what? A downward trend, because the candlesticks are below the moving average. see the crossing here, and look at the candlestick. The candlestick is what below the moving average. So this is what a perfect sell signal. Do you understand? As easy as that. Watch the video over and over. You will understand it, apply it, and you will make massive profit. Do you understand? You will make what? Massive profit. Do you understand? Now look here again. Watch here. This is crossing here. The candlesticks are below the moving average. So this is what? A perfect sell signal. Do you understand? This is what? A perfect sell signal. Look at the crossing, where the crossing occur. Do you understand? This is what? A perfect sell signal. A perfect what? Sell signal. Look at the crossing in the side of MACD, and look at the candlesticks. The candlestick is what? Below the moving average. Do you understand? So this is what? A perfect sell signal for you. Do you understand? As easy as that. Watch the video, understand it, apply it. This is volatility 10 index. Time frame is 15 minutes time frame. Do you understand? It works very, very well. Now let me show you the settings. Moving average period is 80. Moving average period is what? 8. Method is exponential. Apply to close. Then style color, choose any color of your choice. Now come to the MACD settings. This is MACD settings. Fast EMA is 12. Slow EMA 26. MACD XMA is 2. Apply to close. Do you understand? The style men is what? The color is blue, while the signal, the color is what? Red. Do you understand? So this is all you need to do what? To make it massive trading volatility 10 index. Time frame is 15 minutes time frame. Apply this on 15 minutes time frame. Do you understand? If you like the video, hit the subscription button, share the video, let others benefit. This is OTHt. What we do in OTHt, we share profitable strategies free of charge. Thank you.